What do you think it is? And the key word is think. The concept of the soul, the consciousness and awareness, can be complex and often discussed in philosophical or spiritual terms. But here is a simplified explanation of each term. The concept of the soul varies across different belief systems, but it is often considered to be eternal, immaterial essence of a living being that carries one individuality, personality traits, and spiritual natures. But souls are believed to transcend the physical body and can be associated with the afterlife or reincarnation and past lives. Consciousness refers to our subjective experience of awareness, sensation, perception, thoughts, and emotions. It is the quality of being aware and capable of experiencing the surrounding world and oneself. The consciousness arises from the complex workings of the brain and is often associated with the mind. The awareness is a state of being conscious or cognizant of something. It is the ability to perceive, recognize, and comprehend our surroundings, thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Awareness extends our immediate thoughts or experiences, and we can also involve self-reflection and introspection as well. So if you're listening to this for the very first time, these are concepts that have different interpretations across different cultures, religions, philosophies. Therefore, the precise definitions and explanations may vary depending on the belief system being discussed. But remember, your soul is unique to you. It is internal, immaterial, the essence of you, a living being that carries your individuality, your personal traits, and spiritual natures through its existence. What you believe is important. Do you believe you have a life purpose and path? And you may have heard of that, but what is it? Here is the big difference from our ego mind and our soul. Our ego creates illusions in this lifetime and dictates who we are and what we are. Our self-made identity, such as I am an athlete, I am a therapist, I am prideful, I am arrogant, I am in competition with everybody who is the same as me because I want to be the best. The ego mind seeks to serve itself. The soul seeks to serve others. If you are new to the concept of the struggle between the ego mind and the physical body and the soul consciousness more than the physical body, the soul is still connected to the physical body during this lifetime, as you know, as the you. So in essence, there are two of as you know, as a you. The one you know, you have created as your personality, your body, your place in life, as far as work, love, or just life in general. And then there is the soul of you, a self-aware seeker of sacred knowledge to help the collective and the earth to become better in whichever way that happens in one's existence. Note, our physical body or our ego, our soul also is different because our soul has agreed to a contract with other souls or a twin soul to meet at a conjuncture of time. And some may call this an opportunity for a new connection. And remember, the universal design or blueprint for this lifetime and the soul's purpose and plan together in either a soulmate journey or a twin flame journey. The challenge is to remember and rediscover it in our lives. And this meditation can help you to do this by setting the intentions and using the algorithm of success. So then, what does the moon cycles and the distance have to do with our energy? So, simply put, what does the moon have to do with our energy? Well, some people believe the moon has an influence on energy here on Earth. And this can be proven in a physical way, only by referencing the effect of tides and water of the Earth. We are also made of water, so we are more affected by the energy of the moon, especially when it is the supermoon, the closest to the Earth in its elliptical orbit. So what is the big deal with the blue moon? The blue moon is actually not blue. Sometimes it appears blue, especially after volcano eruptions, spewing lava dust and particles into the air, and we are looking through the lens of being here on the Earth, and it appears blue. But this moon, this month, is a supermoon. And a supermoon is a full moon that occurs. A supermoon is a full moon that occurs when there are two full moons in one lunar month cycle. As an example, there will never be a blue moon in February because it is estimated that a full moon appears 29.5 days in each cycle. This is approximate. Now, the blue color is associated with the throat chakra and the spiritual astral subtle energy body that connects us to the universe. Also through the heart chakra to reach a higher plane, and our astral body to activate our throat chakra and our heart chakra. But if you are interested in activating all 7 chakras in more detail, then look to the top right of this video and find the video podcast that I created to activate all 7 chakras. So the supermoon itself is not directly associated with a specific chakra. However, the color blue is commonly associated with the throat chakra, also known as the Vishuddha. The throat chakra is believed to be the center of communication, self-expression, and authenticity. If you are looking to connect with the energy of the blue moon, supermoon, then we need to focus on balancing and aligning our throat chakra. Is a short throat chakra opening and aligning meditation with pranayama breathing. Find the link in the top of the description box, and you can install your own sofa show frequencies. Once you have the app installed, you can then go to the chakra powers, to the Vishuddha, the throat chakra. I would turn the sofa show frequency volume down and then tap on pranayama breathing for meditation. For the people who are following along with me on this video, we will go through the pranayama breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Inhale through
your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. For the people who want to do a guided meditation for opening, unblocking, and aligning your throat chakra, look to the top right-hand corner and find the video.
Is a short opening and aligning of the heart chakra. And now we are going to begin this meditation. But before we begin,
once you have installed your app from the link at the top of the video description, you will open it up to the Chakras power. Tap on Chakras power. Tap on the Anahata heart chakra. This is a frequency of 639. You can turn the frequency up or down. We are going to do Pranayama breathing meditation to open your heart chakra. Inhale with your nose. Exhale with your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. 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 You can continue doing this until you feel like your heart chakra has opened up.
then we need a couple of tools to work with. A quiet place where you can relax and not be disturbed. A book or journal to write your intentions in. Cleansing sage or palo santo. A lighter, a metal bowl. If you want your own ancient sofa shell healing frequencies, the link is in the description. This video, in the first part, will be playing at 741 hertz. This will activate the throat chakra. 639 hertz activates the heart chakra. And that being said, the moon is associated with calming and introspective energy. So we will be using a lower frequency that is in theta between 4 to 8 hertz and in alpha between 8 to 12 hertz to help facilitate a more relaxed and receptive state of mind that can be connecting with the lunar energy. These frequencies are also very associated with deep meditation, creativity, and insight. Now, you can get your own healing app and also the frequency app for your own device. And you can look at the top of the description box. You will find these links. Working with energy. We will be receiving, transmuting, and transforming this energy to manifest something into our life. Now, this sounds very complicated, I know. But having knowledge, not just about what we think as energy, what we are mostly taught all our life, but opening our mind and listening to the wisdom that is hidden deep inside of us, something that our soul knows, that our ego doesn't. We are mostly taught all our life, but opening our mind and listening to the wisdom that is hidden deep inside of us.
Thank you for watching this video, number 3 out of 5. Stay connected, stay tuned, and watch the next video, video number 4.